All right, Cassie, we'll talk to you in a few. Some huge new developments in the case of death row inmate Richard Glossip. The U.S. Supreme Court this afternoon issued a stay, stopping his execution until they can consider two appeals filed by his attorneys. Glossip is convicted for the murder of Barry Van Treese at a Metro motel. News 9's Dana Hurtnicki breaks down exactly what happened today.
According to the attorneys spearheading Richard Glossip's case at the Supreme Court, it is very unusual for justices to intervene at this late stage. Richard Glossip's 9th execution date now likely moved again. Glossip was with his wife Friday, saying their goodbyes ahead of his scheduled May 18th execution when the warden pulled him away and delivered the news.
We just, crumbled into each other and just overcome with joy. It was really, really emotional.
Glossip was meeting with advocates, including his spiritual advisor, Sister Helen Prejean, just before.
I just prayed that the stay of execution would come through soon from the Supreme Court. No doubt what did it were 35 legislators filed with the Supreme Court and the Attorney General of the state.
The High Court will still have to decide if it will hear the case. Both appeals the justices will consider revolve around the testimony of the prosecution's key witness, Justin Sneed. It takes 5 justices to stay an execution, which Glossip's attorney says is a good sign for their case moving forward.
The key question at the state of execution phase is likelihood of success. You don't have to show that you are going to win, but you do have to show that you're likely to. And so we had at least 5 votes saying, yeah, something about this is probably not right and probably warrants the U.S. Supreme Court's intervention and granting relief.
Both Glossip's attorneys and the Oklahoma Attorney General Getner Drummond asked the court for the stay. Drummond says he is very grateful for the decision. Dana Hurtnicki, Oklahoma's Own News 9.
We want to let you know that we have tried to contact the Van Treese family, but we're unsuccessful. As we've previously reported, they have said they believe Glossip is guilty.